Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Calculus in Counter-Strike. Now, have you ever wondered what a choke point is? Well, or do you know what a choke point is? Well, honestly, I really don't, but I can assume that it's where the terrorists and the counter-terrorists meet. So today we're going to be on Mirage as the example. So this is counter-terrorist spawn, and right here, this is terrorist spawn. Now, have you ever wondered where they would meet if they all went to the A-bomb site toward A main, excluding Palace? Now, the counter-terrorists would spawn here and walk all the way over here, while the terrorists would spawn all the way in that spawn and walk over here to aim. Now, let's get a more detailed, let's get a map, right? An overview of the map. So, right here, this is the A bomb site. Now, imagine, right here, imagine a bomb site A was the origin, which means it's at 0. And this map is actually a graph, or a graph. Now, for the color, purple. What if the CT spawned here, and what path would they take to go A main? Now, they would go here, and then they would go to A, and then cross over here, somewhere here along the way. Now, what about the T terrorists, right? Oh, what color do we use? We'll use red. They spawn right here. Now, they come here. That's their path. That's a general path. Now, do you notice anything about these two functions? Now, actually, surprisingly, the CT path is actually a cubic function, while the terrorist path is actually an exponential function. So let's take a function of f of x, right? Or no, for more clarity, we'll do CT of f, or of x, equals to negative x times x minus 2 times x plus 2. Now, this is the function for the counter-terrorists. Now, let's say, what about the terrorists, right? We can take another function from that, which is t of x, as in terrorists of x, equal to 2 to the power of x minus 3. Now, where do they meet, right? What is the exact point of meeting, where do they meet exactly? Well, for that, we can actually take a graph. Now, let's assume that this is a new function, right? This is, let's say, just f of x, right? And it's just like this. It follows the exact same path as both the CTs and the T's, except that they only meet once. Now, let's open up Desmos real quick, right? So, originally, we actually got this into the graph, right? Now, these are actually the original functions that you're given, right? You got 2 of x to the power of x minus 3 and negative x times x minus 2 x plus 2, all of that, right? Now, the thing is, they're continuous. We don't want them to be continuous. We want them to meet at one singular point. Now, to do that, we want to find out where they intersect. And actually, if a bomb site is right here, there's no way they intersect that close, right? So we'll go over here. We'll pretend that they don't meet over here, right? Or maybe they'll meet again when they go on site. But they meet right here on the point where the x value is 1.93724. Now, I'm not going to solve it algebraically because that's honestly a lot of work, and I'm not going to put in a lot of work. But let's assume that we do have the limits, or the range, I guess, or the domain. I think that's what it's called. So after you get the domain of 1.93724, this is what you're left with. Isn't this similar to the graph on the map of Mirage? Now, let's take that as f of x, right? Now, we know that they meet at negative 1 or positive 1.93724. But what is the y value, right? What is the limit, or what is the value of y as both of these sides approach 1.93724? So what you kind of want, you got a whiteboard. Oh, let me how do you get a new one, bro? All right. Oh wait, no, I'll just erase everything. Okay. Now, what would be the proper notations for this, right? Actually, it is limit as x is approaching 1.93724 f of x. Now, I don't know the exact details of that f of x, but all I know is that it is now a continuous function on Desmos of a cubic function going into an exponential function. Now, this value right here, if you want to solve it algebraically, I'm pretty sure that's kind of difficult, but graphically, where do they meet? They meet right here on the point of 0.47872. So what you can write is limit of x plus, or x approaching 1.93724 of x equals to, what is that again? 0.47872. Now that is your answer right here. And right here, this point right here, this black point right here is actually x value 1.93724 comma 0.4872. There it is. I hope you learned something. Maybe not. I'm very bad at calculus. This video was kind of made for fun. So yeah. Also, the point would be right here. That's where they meet. Now, it would make sense, right? Because this is where the T's come out, and this is where they kind of see all the counter-terrorists, right? So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe I'll do another one for derivatives. We'll see, because I'm learning that right now. It's kind of funny to do these videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys. Bye. Oh, I didn't stop.